How do I change my TD security code?
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic: how to change your security code for TD Bank. This code is essential for maintaining the security of your account, so it's crucial to know how to change it when needed.
What is the TD Bank security code?
The TD Bank security code is a unique series of numbers used to identify and protect your account. It's similar to a password but is used in conjunction with your username for an extra layer of security. Changing it periodically can help ensure your account stays secure.
Accessing your TD Bank account.
In order to change your security code, you first need to log into your TD Bank account. You can do this either through the TD Bank website or the mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices.
Navigating to security settings.
Once you're logged in, look for the Settings or Profile option in the menu. Select this, and then choose the Security Settings or Security option. Here, you should see an option related to your security code.
Changing your security code.
In the Security Settings, select the Change Security Code option. You'll likely be prompted to enter your current security code for verification. After this, you can enter your new security code. Make sure it's something unique and hard for others to guess, but easy for you to remember.
Confirming your new security code.
After you've entered your new security code, you'll need to confirm it by entering it again. This is to ensure you didn't make any mistakes when typing it. After you've confirmed it, select the Save or Update button. And that's it. You've successfully changed your TD Bank security code. Remember, it's a good idea to change this code periodically to maintain the highest level of security for your account. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.